Well, happy Thanksgiving. We went to our spot that we usually park at over in our old neighborhood where we thought it was cool, and we went to the cool little apartment slash commercial area, and I parked, put our window stuffs up, and was getting ready to hunker down, and a car pulled up, made a U-turn, parked across the street, and I had the windows cracked, and I was just listening, and I heard the couple speaking about the van and saying, "Oh, they're here again. They can't be parking in front of our place. They're parking in our spaces." So I guess the van isn't that stealth. Huh? Who would have thunk it? So we are now parked at the Lowe's. If you can see it back there. Yep. We're parked at Lowe's, and we're in good company. We got a couple of RVs back there. We got a good old van there. We got another RV back there. We got a couple of back there. And the parking lot's completely empty. And yeah, that was our Thanksgiving. We just kind of hung out in our little secret location to do our purge of clothing and fix the van up a little bit. We didn't have dinner tonight, and all we wanted to do was sleep, and I guess we bothered somebody with a full belly. uh, Absolutely no compassion for people. Yeah, nobody is trying to bother anybody. We weren't actually taking up anybody's spaces. The whole street was pretty much empty, you know. So yeah, thanks to the dude that came through and let us know what he thought about us. Um, yeah, we're just trying to sleep. I get it. You don't want homeless people in your area, but we're not homeless. We're just houseless. So happy Thanksgiving to you who complained. And yeah, this is how it's going to be from now on, I guess. We just gotta live with this. I don't know. It's already difficult, and this makes it even more difficult. Van life. I still like it. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep traveling. This isn't the only place to park. We're going to keep moving. Anyways, I don't want to be out here freaking out the other people that are trying to sleep here. They got their generators going. It's not that cold. Why would they have a generator on? Huh. So yeah, gonna try to get some sleep right now. I'm beat. I'm feeling a little under the weather. I need some sleep, and yeah, that really burned a really bad Thanksgiving. It made it worse. So if you're all watching, happy Thanksgiving.